Welcome, my beautiful people. Bonjour, mes amis. This is Margie sharing another fall tablescape with you, and this video is part of the monthly color series hosted by Marilyn. And this month she has Tammy and Stephanie co-hosting with her, and I have their links as well as the playlist down below, so please visit all these beautiful ladies. They have created awesome tablescapes for you as well. And now let's look what I have created for you. It's still fall and I'm still enjoying this beautiful weather, this beautiful season of sharing. So let me go and let me start telling you what I did in my table. I have an off-white tablecloth, and I have these beautiful maple leaves. I think I have them for a few years now. I got them at Pier 1, so I'm using them. And I have those brown plates as well, and we're going to have soup because it's fall. And I have the recipe on that creamy potato soup down below as well from my blog. And for the napkin, I have these beautiful napkin rings. I have them for a few years. And I have used 2 different colors of napkin for my table. And I have these bronze dinerware here, flatware, if I could say. And we're going to have tea because it's fall. It's the season for tea and wine, of course. I don't have much brown stuff in my house. I think that's the only set, and I've been using this set over the years for Thanksgiving. And I placed a few pumpkins and pine cones on the table just to bring the brown color on it. And this table is for 4, and all 4 sets are the same. And for centerpiece, I just used 3 lanterns, and I placed some pumpkin in them with a candle. So this is simple, and I think it's pretty though, even though it's simple. And the table warmer is brown also, and I've got it from Home Goods, but I've been using it for years. And you know me, I shop in my home. I don't go out and buy stuff often, but like, you can find everything you have. I'm sure you have everything, and you just redecorate the table and you get yourself something pretty. Let me let you see the table one more time. It is simple. I hope you like it. And Marilyn, as I always tell you, I enjoy your monthly color series. Thank you so much for the invite. And please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you the next time. And please remember to be safe. Let's enjoy ourselves safely. Please practice all the safety measures. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Au revoir, mes amis. Bye bye.